Alwa,
Okay,
which
sir.
is Indore,
Okay.
Khargon,
Okay.
right?
All right.
Mahakausal is Jabalpur, right?
Oh, yeah,
So this
yeah.
is Bundelkhand.
Okay, okay.
Why? Because after Chandela Rajput, the Bundela Rajput came in existence,
Okay.
and they have ruled in this part of India.
Okay.
So that's why it is called
Yeah.
Bundelkhand.
All right. So you know all the history behind
Sir,
this.
I was the student for
Oh,
3 years.
okay.
I speak French and Italian. I'm a guide for French and Italian also.
Great, sir. Congratulations.
Since 20 years, I'm working as a guide in Khajuraho.
Okay, sir.
So this is a most beautiful and intact temple of Khajuraho,
Okay, sir.
where you will see 5 temples on one platform.
Okay.
Each corner we have one small temple, we have 4, and the
Okay.
main temple exactly in the middle.
Okay,
This
sir.
is called Panchayatan style of temple.
All
Panch
right.
means 5.
Okay.
Ayatan means a square platform.
All right.
So this is a Panchayatan style of temple. Main temple is divided into 4 parts.
Okay.
The entrance, which is always decorated with arch, that is called Makar Torana.
All right. All right.
We need to purify our body
Okay.
before entering in a temple.
Okay.
So that arch is representing
Okay.
holy river, Ganga,
Okay.
which will purify everybody while entering in a temple.
All right. All right.
Then the second part of the temple has got a big block of a stone.
Okay.
We will not able to read it because it was written in Pali,
Oh, Sanskrit.
Devanagari. Right.
Okay.
The
Okay.
third part has got a platform where the dancers were performing dances.
Okay.
And the fourth part, the tallest part,
Okay.
this is called Mahamandapa
Okay.
and Garbhagriha, Sanctum Sanctorium,
Oh.
where we have the images of God and goddesses.
Okay.
130
Okay.
to 950.
Okay.
Yes, we can only imagine how many people were working
Okay.
because there are no any records of the people and the name of the artist. They are all unknown.
Okay.
Yes, sir, please.
All right.
So initially, please look at the platform.
Okay.
This is the army
Okay.
with the horse and elephant.
Okay.
They're going to the battlefield.
Okay.
Yes. All different color of a stone.
Okay.
This is a natural color of sandstone.
All right.
So artists, they have never bothered about particular color. Whatever color they found, they carved it and built a temple.
Okay.
In the meantime, you will see some statues,
Okay.
some elephants, horses
Okay.
are badly defaced and destroyed by the people.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah, yeah.
These type of destruction made by the Islamic people.
Oh.
When the invasion was in here in
Okay,
India, first
okay,
invasion,
okay.
like 9th, 10th century, Muhammad Ghori, Ghazni, Sher Sai Suri,
Okay.
they just crossed this part
Okay.
to conquer the fort known as
Okay.
Kalijar.
Okay.
So the army have defaced and destroyed those figures.
Okay.
Since that time, Hindu people have stopped to come here. Because
Okay.
Hindu people always believe that the statues and the temple has to be intact to worship. So
Okay.
they are not anymore intact.
Okay. Okay.
There are no any ceremonies. There are
Oh.
no any religious activities.
Okay.
Only one temple is active with the flag.
Okay.
So wherever you see flag means active, non-flags are the monument.
All right.
And this is all sandstone.
Okay.
Now
okay.
you will see between two stones the joint.
Okay.
Before, no cement.
Okay. Okay.
Only like a puzzle, like a Lego.
All right.
Please, sir.
Okay.
Either. Ma'am, if you please come over here, look at the middle figure. Exactly middle figure. Can you identify him? Who is this?
Shiva.
Which right, sir. This is Shiva because you have seen the trident. But next body, you see there is a breast only, one breast. So this is the another form of
Parvati and
Shiva, right?
Parvati
This is
Ardhanarishwar.
Ardhanarishwara,
All
half
right.
man and half woman,
Okay.
like yin and yang, right? So this is. Look at how beautifully done. Next, look at this lady. She's standing with a certain movement that is called Tribhanga, three curve. You won't see any statue straight. Every single figure has a movement known as Tribhanga posture with all kind of ornaments, dresses, facial expression. Between two statues, often you will see the dragon. And the dragon is representing your desire. You have so many desires in your mind. To fulfill your desire, you are behind. And the peace, there is no peace in life. So life has to be peaceful and desire has to be fulfilled. Everywhere you will see this design. What is this? Water pot, mango leaves and coconut. these are the things when we goes to worship in a temple, we always carry the water pot with some honey, milk, yogurt, and some flowers. We pour everything on a statue, and coconut we break like we need to break our ego in front of supreme power to get blessed by the gods. The Buddhist architecture like pagoda, and third is a Islamic architecture like a mosque.
Oh.
So it has become a great example of unity and diversity,
Harmony.
harmony. In every temple you will see the lion.
Oh my.
That was the emblem of.
Fantastic, fantastic.
There always is a transport of Ganga, holy river, and turtle is a transport of Yamuna. So basically in Hindu temple we have two female figure
Alright.
on the right and left,
Okay.
representing Ganga and Yamuna.
Okay.
So when you are entering, symbolically you will be purified to worship.
Alright, alright.
Then in every temple in Khajuraho, right at the bottom here,
Okay.
dekhega ye
Yeah, yeah.
single block,
Okay.
which is called Chandrasila.
Oh.
Chandra means moon. So this
Alright.
is a shape of half moon
Alright.
with two conch shell.
Okay, okay.
We are always blowing the conch shell to purify atmosphere
Alright, alright.
in Hindu religion. And while we are entering in a temple, we will keep your right foot on that stone. As soon as you will keep your right foot first, you will be detached with the materialistic world to
Alright.
introduce yourself with the god and goddesses.
Oh my God.
Sir, ये जो renovation है,
Okay.
50 years before they have done this.
Okay.
50 years before they have done this, they have renovated. Beautifully carved.
Okay.
Behind you, a small temple was restored only 20 years before.
Okay.
What happened to this temple? It was completely dislocated, man. झुक गया था मंदिर.
Okay.
ऐसा हो गया था ये. तो इसमें नंबरिंग की गई, इसको निकाला गया, इसकी नींव भरी गई, और इसको सीधा खड़ा किया गया. Look at it. So they have not carved it. They just left it very plain. Let me show you what have been restored. What creator of universe,
Alright.
Vishnu, protector of universe, and Shiva is a destroyer.
Alright.
And between three, there are small tiny images. Some of them are without head.
Okay.
Those are the 9 planets.
Oh.
Yes. And that image right over there, and this one, as I was telling you, Ganga and Yamuna
Alright.
in a human form. And then musicians and dancers. Look at that.
Okay.
So those are the 4 blocks. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Alright.
Only 4 blocks they have decorated the entrance.
Alright.